I'm J.C. Jones, and I wanted to bring you step number 7 of winning on purpose. Step number 7 is don't fight it. I'm talking about the process. What you have to understand is, as you determine that you're going to win on purpose, and you begin to go along, you're going to find out some things about yourself. Number one, you're going to find out there's some things missing. You're going to find out some things that you make mistakes on. You're going to find out that some of the ways that you want to go and some of the things that you've endeavored to do are going in the opposite direction of where you're trying to. You're going to find out there's places where you need to grow. There's things you need to change. There's environments that need to change. There's mindsets that need to be altered. And when you find these things out, the tendency oftentimes is to buck against the process. But if you buck against the process, you buck against the progress. Where you begin to be challenged in your growing. Understand that where there is no challenge, there is no change. So when you start thinking about it, God talks about it in the Bible. He talks about how a tree that's bearing fruit, God will prune it. What does that mean? He's going to bring off all the dead leaves, the things that are holding you back, the things that are keeping you from growing, from bringing forth more fruit. Because just because you're doing good, when you are blessed to do great, it's a sin to be complacent with being good. So don't fight the process. As you start seeing the changes, as you start seeing the pain, as you start seeing the strain of it all, don't fight it, embrace it. Recognize that this is all a part of what's necessary as I move from where I was to where I'm going. It is extremely necessary that you grow patience. In fact, James 1 says, count it all joy when you fall into diverse temptation, knowing that the trying of your faith works patience. But let patience have its perfect work, that you might be perfect and entire, wanting nothing. What does that mean? That means that your whole thing right now is growing into patience, being able to wait, being able to continue, being able to persevere. And that process is the process of change, and you need not fight it. As you go through something, I recognize that whatever I go through, I grow through. Whatever I'm dealing with, I'm becoming better because of it. It doesn't matter what it is. All things work together for good to them that love God and who are called according to his purpose. Whatever it is that he's called you to do, whatever vision he's given you, are part of what you're dealing with. The trials that you go through are all part of the process. What does that mean? That means that as you go through trials, you go through trials looking not at the trial, but for the triumph. As you go through challenges, you don't look at the challenge, but you look at the fact that you're championing your cause and you're becoming better as you go through. Listen, don't dare give up. I tell my people oftentimes in my boot camp that as you get sore that first week, it's going to feel almost debilitating. You're going to go through some things that you have not felt in years, and some of you have never gone through before. But truth be told, it's all part of the process. Your body's broke down. Now it's got to rebuild. And as it rebuilds, it's rebuilding stronger to meet the challenge that it dealt with the day before. That's the same thing with you in life. As you rebuild, you're rebuilding stronger to meet the challenge you just dealt with. And every time you get challenged, you find yourself going up just a little bit higher. So don't fight the process. Embrace it. And know that it's all a part of the process of progress on your way to success. God bless you. Have a great day.